Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Okay, this your boy Mark, back again with another video. Today I'm gonna be doing a review of a smart table lamp from a company called ECOLOR. This lamp claims that it could be controlled by an app on your cell phone, and it has the RGB coloring. So let's see some more specs on here. Give you some specs real quick. It's got a dimming control on it, warm and cool colors. It claims 10 million different colors. Also, like I said, it's app control. It has DIY scenes on it. Also, it has a music mode, so you can sync this bad boy so where it can start. It'll sync with the music. So you playing music or sound or whatever, it'll play to. It'll sync with that. Let me give you a few more specs. Power rated 5 watts. Colors RGB. Power supply is 5 volt, 1 amp. Alright. I'm not an expert in all this stuff. I'm just a guy that loves tech. So, you know, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what we're working with. Okay, let's check out this box. Alright. Looks like we got a nice little design of the on the box. Nice little picture of the lamp itself. Let's go ahead and open up this box and see what we're working with. I hope everybody's having a blessed day today. Alright, let's see what we got in the box. We got a little paper. Let's see here. Looks like we have some accessories down here. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is a charging cable. This is a micro USB. Looks like, yeah, micro USB. So we got a micro USB cord. Doesn't look like there's a brick that comes with it. So let me go ahead and see inside, see what else is in the box. Let's take the lamp out first. Alright, let's go and see what else in this box. Nothing else is in the box. Let's get this box out of the way so we can get to the meat and potatoes, the lamp itself. Alright, we done got rid of that box. This is a nice looking lamp. Got a micro USB cord. You know, but you're gonna have to get your own charging brick, like I said earlier. Nice looking design. At the bottom, you have your switches on here, your manual switches. You get the dimmer switch and your color switch. And also on top, you have a touch sensitive on and off button. But we'll demonstrate that a little bit later. All right. Also, right here on the back, you have the micro USB charging slot. That's where you put your cable in right there to charge the device to go ahead and power it up. Alright, let's go ahead and get ready to download the app. Alright, you have to go to the App Store, whatever device you have, was iPhone or Android. Go ahead and install the ECOLOR Life app. Alright, now we're installing it. Cool. Alright, let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, we're going to set this bad boy up. Let's see here. Use only while using the app. Okay. Now let's go ahead and search for the device. Alright, got it. Alright, it's got the device. Let's go ahead and set it up. We're going to go ahead and name it. We'll name it Moon Lamp. Alright, now we got that on here, Moon Lamp. Let's see what else we got going on here. All right, now it shows you have different scenes on there. So you got like rolling, you got dynamic, you got game, different little scenes on there. You know, that's pretty cool, pretty cool. Also, you got the colors, different red, pink, green. Now that we have the lamp all set up, let's go ahead and demonstrate some of the colors on there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and Alexa, turn off the lights in the studio.
Okay.
All right, so we see right here we got red. Oh, before we get started, it's like a touch sensitive power button on top. So when you can hit you can touch the top of it, and you notice it turned off the app. And then you turn it back on, a little touch sensitive part up here, a little touch power thing on there. Like I said, you can also dim it right here, and also change the colors on there as well. But what I like about it is that you can control it with the app. So let's check out some of the colors. You got the red, you got the pink, you got the green, you got the blue, and you got like a purple and a pink. So I don't know if you're really able to see the colors like I'm being able to see the colors right now, but trust me, it's pretty nice. You got a cold white and a warm white. All right. Also they have scenes on here. Right now, this is a rolling scene. As you can see, this thing changes colors. It just rolls up and down, different colors, as you can see. And let's see here, we got bonfire. That's a pretty cool one. You got color light, where also, like I said, it changes different colors. Let's see if another one. Let's go to game. This is game. Okay, so this is like kind of fading in and out for different colors. Okay, that's pretty cool. Automatic. Changes different colors. So you get the gist of, you could change it to different colors on here. And let's go ahead and also it has a music mode as well. Let's go ahead and play some music so we can see how the music mode works. All right, get it back to colors. Let's change it to red. And let's get some music started, all right? Let's check the music out.
I can see you looking at me. Yeah, my eyes are open wide. So you want me to set you free? Take a walk with me outside. Tell me everything about you. Yeah, 'cause I really wanna know. You can ride with me forever. Yeah, anywhere you
All
wanna
right,
go.
let's pause that. Okay, so you got to see the music. Let's turn these lights back up in the studio. Let's turn it back to the main colors. Alexa, turn on studio.
Okay.
Okay, we got also, I forgot to mention, like I said, I'm not an expert at this stuff. I'm just a guy that loves tech. But also you can set a timer on here. I don't know if you can see that. You can set a timer on there, so you can set this bad boy to come on at different times during the day, every day, or you can have it the light gradually dim out for sleep mode. So this is pretty cool. So like I said, you can set it, forget it, and just have it, automatically coming on whenever you want it to come on. That's pretty cool right there. I almost forgot to mention that one right there. Like, see, what are all the settings on there? No, that's all the settings on there. Okay. But also this is another setting. You can change different colors of the lamp. It's called a segment mode. So like I want to put that one. First one's a red. Let's change it to blue. I'm changing that top one. I'm changing this one to blue. I'm gonna change that one to red. Change the red. And I'm gonna go ahead and change the next one to green. And the next one to blue. So you could change it. I'm gonna put another red in here. So you could change it. You know, you can design it the way you want to design it. So I think overall this is a pretty cool lamp. Like I said, if you're interested in this product right here, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box so you can check it out for yourself. And if you made it this far, thank you for watching the video. Go ahead and just hit that subscribe button. Tell a friend. But like I said, you can get it for $32.99 on Amazon. And right now, it looks like they have a $10 gift coupon on there. So, you know, at the time of this video, all right. Like I say, this is a cool lamp. Like I said, for a kid's room, or you know, if you got a gaming setup. You want to have it in the back of your gaming setup, that'd be pretty cool. Having to go into the music and all that good stuff. Or, you know, if you're in a college dorm, this will be cool too. So, like I said, if you're interested, link down in the description box below. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right? And the message for today is, don't be afraid to go after your dreams, because if you don't try, you won't succeed. So don't be afraid to follow your dreams. All right. This has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views. Drop the mic and I'm out. Peace.